Okay, so you know how do I record in this thing? So most of you think that recording a video is super easy, but it's not. It's very hard. It comes to the price, but still you're wrong. It's for free, and you are going to when you're watching this video, you'll find out how to do it. So hi guys, it's Toxic, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to record your gameplay or anything on the best FPS, on the nice looking, and it's fully for free. So right now we're going to be using OBS Studio. So I'm using 64 bits Windows. I'll just try it here. Yep. So yeah, just ignore this one. So right now I am recording at 60 fps. So when you're now, if you want to like record like so good like streaming in Twitch and everything, this is the best app. But there will be some options in default that might decrease your FPS. So let's just change it. So all you need to do is go to File, go to Settings. So just select whatever you want. You can go for I don't know, area, agree, I don't know, or this, or this. I'm just going for dark. Yeah, who doesn't like? So when you're going for output, go for recording. So um oh, so right now this cannot work. Anyway, well, you won't have any use in this if you are in a basic. So all you need to do right now, it says it's some problem because some problem, you can't change it. So your sample rate, keep it like same. Okay, so this is where you're going to select your thing. So I'm using headset right now, like A-Tech stereo headphones, and my second one is my speaker, and my third is my mic. So if you have like more mics, like say your friend's mic, you connect that, or if you want to have your background mic, you can put that. These do not do anything, don't. So yeah, right now it's recording, so you can't do anything. So resolution, try to keep it at the current resolution you're having. So if you're using 1080p and you record at 768, it'll get the output damaged, so you won't get the perfect looking in the video. And same thing goes for output scale resolution, keep it the same 768. And downscaling filter, put it as high as you can, like 36 samples. That's what I put. When it comes to gaming, decrease it. Common FPS value, this is important. When you're doing normal tutorials like this, try to put it as 60 FPS. But when you're playing gameplay, it depends on what game you're playing. So if your game is running at 30 FPS lock, put it on same thing on this, or lag a lot. So once you've done that, I can't do it. So once you've done it, there's your settings where you put all of your what's everything. But if you have, there's like this kind of special tool where you can like do shortcuts like hotkeys and you can do it. But this is a cheap thing, so for free. So this is what I use for start and record. I use home and delete. For pause and unpause, I use page up and down. And for like streaming, for preview, you can put end. La la la. Go for advanced. So general process priority, put it at normal, above normal. If you put it high, it will lag a lot. But even if you put above normal, it will decrease lag. It's kind of stupid. Like that's what OBS did. So not my problem. And one more thing in this video, this is not sponsored. Nope, nope, nope. This video is not sponsored. Okay, so I'm just showing a tutorial how to do it. So these things you don't need to change anything. If you're like really dumb, yeah. So that once you're done with that, press apply, press OK. So here's thing, you can just monitor your FPS and everything here. This is when you activate studio mode. So sorry, I prefer studio mode better. So this is my audio mixer, so this is where I monitor my audio. If you want to mute, like, so that. And so if you want to put source, so if you want, you can put game captures, like you focus on one window. It's best if you use dual monitor, because single monitor won't help, because it'll kind of be a little bit hard. So use dual monitor or triple monitor. So that, and the others, read the instructions. Okay. Screen transitions, these are mainly for streaming, not relevant for recording, because you obviously have a recording app, like a video editing app, so you don't need these things. And these are your scenes, like to make a custom, like you can put Minecraft in one, Crunker, Dead Space, these games. So if you want like specific settings and everything for it. And yeah, but if you're trying to increase the resolution super high, The recording might take a lot of space. Like right now, I don't know how much is it. Maybe like, I don't know. Oh wait. Okay, so it's right now 96 MB. It's not a big thing, but if the higher resolution and quality you put, the more downloads size it will be. So if you are internet budget type, lower resolution. But if you are like want to waste a lot of internet, be a little stupid stuff, put it as high as you can. But if you're a type of guy who's in the middle, put it in medium. Anyone could see properly unless you're blind. So that's it for today. So you can check how to get highest FPS in my video. If you're in my channel, subscribe to my channel, most important, and give my this video a very big like, and comment down below what do you think, any help or anything. So that, and yeah, that's it for today. Toxic out.